Well, the first thing that drew me to Yo brand is, the brand itself. I've heard a lot of good things about Yo Sushi, about the quality, and then they have a lot of franchise everywhere and restaurants as well. So, the reputation that they have, and if you're, for example, you're gonna have your own business, you're gonna have your own franchise, definitely you're gonna do it with a well-known company. My experience was really great because I've never had franchise before. I want to have my own business, but I don't know where to start. So I said, why not just franchise? At least they have the system already. You don't need to think of the menu. You don't need to think of the marketing team. So I said, it's better to do franchise instead of doing my own Japanese restaurant.
At first, it was challenging because we don't know how, everything is new. We don't know the cycle first, the routine. But then when you get your routine, easy.
Like from day one, this is what you're gonna do. Day two until the 4th week of the training. When they turn over the skills to me, my area manager is there to support me, Paul, and also the management team on top. So I'm really lucky, they're all things that I need to know. They're there for me. Any questions, anything regarding HR, documents, audits, they trained me.
I'm happy because I always wanted to be a businessman, really. I like the system. You just do your best, love what you do.
During the training, I've connected with a lot of franchises as well. Up until now, we're still connected. Like, how's your, is this selling in your store, like the Korean buys or whatever? We're lucky because, it's not like if you have your own business, you can't do these things. You can't ask any, it's just going to be your own research. At least you have someone to ask to, just to compare.
What they said to us, they said, this is the amount of money that we're going to get, but we made more.
I wasn't expecting that much. They had the projected sales. And we were lucky. We were so happy that the actual sales is more than the projected sales. So I was like, wow, that's amazing,
At first, I said to myself, if I make more money, but then it's more on the people that's coming back to you and they said they love the product that you do. For me, that's better now.
When people come back in here and they say, you know what, the sushi is so good, it was lovely, and that makes all the difference, Don't expect that it's going to be like A to Z, there's no problem at all. It's quite challenging, but then I think it's because of the support that we get from Yo Sushi.
Make it easier.
Make it easier because, you got the area manager, you got your management up, so you can talk to them, you can communicate with them easily. Also, you got the training support. They're always there for you if, for example, you got some questions, they ask people to come in here and train you as well and your staff as well. So it's like if you're like nervous that, what's gonna happen? They know what they're doing. They've opened 300, 400 kiosks already. So definitely they know that this is gonna work. Not everybody has the opportunity to own a Yo Sushi kiosk. It's life-changing because you own a business. You're the boss. No one's gonna tell you what to do. You're the one's gonna tell what you need to do,
This is like a foundation of the dream that we have. Now we feel like we can achieve more.
You have the opportunity. As long as you wanted to learn, you're open to learning, I think you're gonna make it.
What would you say to someone who's thinking about joining the Yo franchise?
Don't buy it, because I'm gonna buy it, okay? You got order. 2 classic, 2 cucumber. Kuya, tulungan mo na nga lang. Thank you. Thank you.